Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your car's lighting and improve nighttime visibility, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 LED headlights for cars that not only enhance your driving experience, but also add a stylish touch to your vehicle. We'll be covering everything from brightness, durability, and energy efficiency to ease of installation, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your car. So whether you're a daily commuter or a nighttime road warrior, stick around. Let's light up the road together.
Upgrade your night driving with these C-Light H11, H9, H8, 9005 HB3 bulbs combo POA. Delivering a powerful 56,000 LM output in crisp 6500K cool white light. These super bright fog bulbs enhance visibility in any weather, while the built-in 15,000 RPM cooling fan ensures peak performance and longevity. Experience safer, clearer driving with this top-tier lighting solution.
Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with the 4PCS 5.75-inch LED headlight set, featuring bright DRLs and amber turn signals for enhanced visibility. These 534's round sealed beam headlamps offer superior performance and durability, perfect for Peterbilt 359 and Impala 5976 models. Illuminate the road with style and safety, while the sleek reflector design adds a modern touch to your classic ride.
Upgrade your ride with the Star 2024 180W 1000% bright H65 LED headlights. These DOT-certified anti-glare lights deliver unmatched brightness for safer nighttime driving. Perfectly compatible with Jeep Cherokee XJ and Wrangler YJ, they boast 1000% more brightness than standard headlights. Illuminate your path with cutting-edge clarity and rugged durability.
Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with the Oxalam H11 9005 LED light bulbs combo, with an impressive 44,000 lumens and 600% brighter. Illumination, these bulbs provide crystal clear 6500K cool white light for safer night driving. Easy to install and built for durability. Experience a brighter, more confident drive with these high-performance LEDs.
Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with the Roylux 9005 HB3 H11 H98 LED bulb light, offering 32,000 LM for an astounding 400% brightness boost. Experience ultra-clear visibility with 6,000K cool white light, perfect for fog, ATV, or UTV use. With a 99% canvas error-free, technology installation is hassle-free, ensuring powerful illumination without flickers or warnings.